Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MaidmentMadness. Now, in this behemoth box, we are going to add some fun touring mods actually to the MT-07. Okay, so when it comes to touring mods, there are a few options. You can go tank bag, side panniers, top box, you name it. It's completely up to you how you want to go with it. The options I've gone for in terms of touring are the Givi soft bag type panniers. So this is what they look like. Each one is 40 litres. They come in a pair, so 80 litres. And simply, if you imagine this is the back of the bike, you can't just sit on the back. But when we get to the installation video, we'll look at how to install and obviously what I think about them. They are soft, so you can go for hard as well, doesn't really matter. I've gone for this type, and yeah, so far so good. There's some slight reflective panels there, loads of adjustment in terms of the straps, and yeah, fairly lightweight. They have you can adjust them to make them as big as you want, or just keep them slim. Now, to hold the soft panniers to the MT-07, I bought this rack here, so one on either side, and that will make it easy for me to attach the Givi soft bags. Seems fairly good. And then lastly, in my case, I've had to buy a special kit from Givi, and what this allows is for the back side of the pannier rack to be attached more secure, which sounds odd. But if you do not have a top box installed, and you obviously, if you have a top box installed, you'd have the rack at the back of the bike, which the side racks would attach to, if that makes sense. Because I don't have that, I don't need it. I've just had to buy this special adapter kit. But yeah, all in all, seems fairly straightforward, and this will prevent me having to carry a backpack all the time. And to be honest, if I'm storing things like the chain, I do not want that on the back, because it's quite heavy. And on long rides, that is not good. Okay, so now time to install the Givi side pannier kit. First, we need to install the specific adapter for the Yamaha MT-07, because as I explained earlier, I don't have the rails for the top box. So to start with, I'll remove both seats and also this small panel here to expose where we will fix the first part. Let's get it. So now we have both the rear side panels off. What we actually need to do now is we need to drill a hole, like a small rectangle kind of shape, just where my thumb is around here. It does show it more clear in the instructions. However, I need to first do that, and then I'll touch base back with you in a moment. Okay, so I have done the back right side in terms of the drilling and reassemble. So just to show you what they give you within the instructions, it's kind of like that kind of setup where the cutout bit at the bottom is the hole which you need to drill. Now, in terms of what it looks like when fitted, pretty much the same to get the side panel back on in terms of the fixings and bolts. Now, if I bring you around here, you can see this bit is kind of how we've threaded it up, and then that kind of attaches to that. Come around here for a better angle. You can kind of see there, you know. So it comes up through like this space here on the bike, and you just bolt it down. And then the last piece of the kit is what you see here for this piece. All I have to do now is do the same on the other side. So I do the drill, reassemble, and then we're ready to actually fit the, I'll show you what these looks like, fit the side panniers, or the rack. And this is what it is. So that. And in theory, that should be the easiest part of the installation. But I'll touch back with you once the back left side panel is back and ready assembled. Okay, so now both sides are done at the rear. This is the other side now done. All we need to do now is remove the bolt that goes through the pegs, replace it with the one Givi sent us, to then mount the side panniers. So we'll start with this side, so the left side, and then we will move on to the other side, and then we'll show you the end result. Okay, so that's one side done. Not too bad. The only point I would say with the pegs and getting them off, you will need a flathead to kind of pry out two prongs at the bottom, and then you need a plier to then pull. So it's like a metal, thick metal wire that you need to pull out, and then the pin kind of lifts up, and there you put the new screw in, and that's what it's going to look like. So I'll do the same on the other side. I'll tighten up a few bolts, and there's also a small railing that's going to go across to the other side, I guess just for more stability. So let's get that done, and we'll touch base in a second. Both side pannier racks are now on the bike. Looks alright actually, nice sleek design. Doesn't come out of the bike too much, which is good. And yeah, really secure. You can see the bracket here. That just helps for stability. But yeah, good job. I'll get the rest of the bike back together now, and then we'll show you a final shot with the Givi bags on top. Let's go. Okay guys, so we finally got there with the installation. Both bags are now on the bike, and this is the end result. It's really not a bad fitment at all. Of course, this is just a mock-up of how it's going to look. They do supply relevant bungee cords and straps, so you can make it as secure as you want it to be, which is obviously a good thing. Let's just show this side. I really like them. These are the 40 litre Givi bags. You can get 30 on each side, but I just went for the bigger ones because they were on deal. Plus, why not have the extra space? So yeah, there you go. Now, what's good about the Givi bags on these ones is this bit here is actually a drinks holder, which is quite handy. There's one on either side. So yeah, plenty of space, and pretty rugged as well. Also, Givi sends you a waterproof kind of elastic bag to wrap around them. Now, for the majority of the year, especially for those in the UK, probably recommended. Other than that, yeah, should be all right. And this is also the back of the bags. You can see they have a reflective panel on this side, which is really good. So all in all, very happy with the installation. Also, I think this does deserve a quick little montage. Let's have a look. As always guys, the links to all the products used in this installation can be found in the description below. Please remember to give a like and subscribe if you're new, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.